So guys, I just want to do a quick video. This one doesn't regard the Honda Accord, but it has to do with the new 2021 Acura TLX Type S. My friends at Grubbs Acura got their Type S in and did a cold start in sport mode, and also did a little driving video in car, so you can actually hear what it sounds like on the actual street instead of on track. Like a lot of them right now are on a track, so this is like real world driving conditions. Thought it was really good. Car sounds awesome, looks amazing. So if you guys are interested in that, definitely check this out. Give you guys a little taste of what this car is about.
Sounds good.
Like a little kitty.
But you're not in the dynamic mode, right?
Turn it to the right.
I'm ready to Sport Plus mode.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Richard's like, I know, dude.
I got this.
I've done this before. You should have seen me in that NSX. NSX is so nice. It's so badass.
I revved up the stock NSX.
Dude, how does
not
it
nearly as
have
good as
revved
black.
monitors on this thing? I don't know. Why?
Yeah, if the Advance has it, why won't this have it? That's
Why
crazy.
wouldn't this have it? That's nuts, man.
What is it?
The Advance has the camera feature where you can see like your blind spot and stuff. This one doesn't have it. That's lame. You know they weren't gonna give power folding mirrors of it originally. Wow. Damn. Yo, that's good.
It's got the burble and everything. When
That
you
sounds
shift
good.
it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just keep in mind, a lot of weight in there.
Damn. This thing's cornering pretty well too.
Yeah, it's super handling.
Super and all-wheel drive with the torque vectoring differential. Awesome.
There's lag in that turbo. I'm trying to find the speed limit.
It's got automatic rev matching. Have you noticed it yet?
Yeah.
You know, I'm pretty impressed with the sound. I like it. It's got the perfect amount of sound. It's not obnoxious or anything like that. Does it have launch control?
Probably not. No.
The turbo sound is amazing.
Kind of feels like a Mustang though. Like, it just sounds
It's got some good torque, man. The torque is good.
Yeah.
Some nice torque to the back.
I bet you if you put a pedal commander on this thing.
Hey Richard, how's the handling? Is the steering like heavy and stuff?
Yeah.
Good. Wow. I mean, it looks like it's handling pretty well.
Hit the brakes. Good.
Definitely drives better than the 4-cylinder.
Oh, it's not even comparable. This thing's like, they got the shifting way faster. They changed the whole thing. But the 4-cylinder is pretty good too. I kind of beat it up the other day when I was driving the Advance. Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Goodness. That is amazing.
That handling's amazing.
Impressive.
For a 4-door sedan.
So guys, I thought it sounded really good. Looks good. As you know, Honda product. So it's reliable and it gives you plenty of performance too. So I'm excited to see it on the street. I really am. If you guys are interested in this, check out your local dealer. And if you're in Texas, Grubbs Acura is in Grapevine, Texas. Definitely swing by. In a few weeks, I'll have the test drives available for this car. So, like I said, if you're over there, go test one of these cars out. It's a great car. It's a powerhouse for sure. Highly recommended. Appreciate it, guys, again. And definitely let me know your thoughts. Hope everyone's doing good, staying safe out there. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks, everybody.